We are back, everybody! Yep, I knew that Star Wars intro was gonna start at the end of the elimination. So, the retros, you're your last challenge, so you gotta be safe or else you'll be eliminated. But Lemon and Tea Coffee are safe, so here's your K. And Wheelie is out. I guess that's it. There's nothing else like that, so let's continue to the next challenge though. Stop! None of this will work. This will work about my computer extra. You cheated. What the hell is going on? I guess there's the only way, but I had to try it myself. So let's see if it works. I guess I will put like 9. Oh, did I just win? The Retros has won the challenge. Viewers, vote one of the Medicard teams who wants to be safe. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. By the way, see ya. I have nothing to say left. So yeah.